Hey guys, I'm hungry. So tonight we're gonna make some chicken thighs, we're gonna make some chicken legs, some sausages, and some green beans. All right, so I have my chicken sitting in the marinade. I've pulled back most of the skins where there's skin. This is my favorite marinade, you use yours. So I got all the chicken pulled out of the marinade. I turned on my Rec-Tec, it's at 225, it's warming up right now. And I'm gonna start to season my chicken. You use your favorite seasoning, I'm gonna use mine. And I use a small mixture of different stuff. But you do you. Don't forget to get both sides. Look at that, I missed a little bit over there. All right, so the grill's at 225-ish, and it's been holding right about there for the last 5 minutes. It's time to load it. And I'm going to try to only use one side as best as I can. All right, with the chicken legs, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to dress this skin back down and around it. So it looks more like a chicken leg. All right, we're going to push it back in. All right, so the internal temperature of the chicken is about 120 degrees. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a casserole dish full of sauce on top. Let that start to warm up. Add a cast iron pan, which we're gonna cook with that here in a little bit. I want it to warm up. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in it. We're going to cook with this olive oil a little bit later. I'm going to be making some sausages, and I want to get a little smoke in them. We're going to put them on the Blackstone to cook them the rest of the way. We're going to put them on here now. And we're going to dab them with olive oil, because I want these to crispen up a little bit. That didn't open up like it's supposed to. All I'm going to do is take my little dab of olive oil on all of them. All right? It doesn't have to be perfect. It just got to get done. All right, so we started our green beans already. We want to keep them on low heat, but we got to keep them moving a little bit. We're not looking to actually cook them all the way. We just want them to soften up a little bit. Because bacon's good for you. Spread it out. Let it all touch the griddle itself. Yeah. All right, as those beans cook, I'm going to add half of my pesto over here to my cast iron pot and let it start to get warm. When I was a kid, I was eating too fast, and she was going to invest in a shovel for me. Well, she doesn't like this idea. Trying to get all that bacon grease with it. I'm going to take my pesto and I'm going to dump the rest of my pesto in there. I'm going to close my lid. I'm going to let it sit. I changed the heat in the grill. It's now at 325 and it's preheating up to it. Now I want those chicken skins to be nice and crispy. The probe in my meat says it's 166 right now. So it's time to sauce it. So I already got my sauce hot here. And what I do is I put it on a towel. I don't want to put it on metal. If it's on the metal, it's going to cool down too fast and it's going to end up breaking. All right, so I probed all the chicken. We're at a good temperature. Now we're going to sauce them. I dip them. It's fast, it's easy, and it works. And I put them right back in so the sauce gets set up on them. Alright, So we're going to cook up those sausages. So we're going to do that on the Blackstone. All right, here goes our last flip. All right, so that sauce is starting to set up really nicely on our chicken. And now we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese to the pesto. But I like it a little bit cheesy. Pesto and beans. It's looking good. The chicken sauce is setting up real good. They're about done. We're about done. All right, so our sausages are done. I'm going to sauce them too in the same sauce. This is actually a mustard sauce. I'm going to stick them in there and turn them over a couple times. I'm going to put them right on the grill as well again. Just long enough for that sauce to set up on them. Just a little bit. Give it another 5 minutes and we'll be ready to go. Look how yummy that sounds. Let's get down there and look at that food. Trying to get all of our sauce out of it. In the pan just a little bit, make it look good.